Hi, my name is Kirsten Young. I am a busy mom of two, and I started with Recharge Clinic about a year and a half ago with hormone replacement therapy, and it has quite literally changed my life. Before starting hormone replacement therapy, I was experiencing night sweats to the point where I would have to get up and change my shirt in the middle of the night, like numerous nights a week. I was dead at the end of the night, absolutely no energy to even make it through to bedtime. And I really had no libido. As a woman who's had children, you always feel off for a little bit and you're like, well, it's going to get better once they get older. And it wasn't. I was really feeling defeated and I didn't have enough of me to go around to take care of my children and give attention to my husband as well. I would go to my other primary doctor. I would go to my gynecologist. Time and time again, I was just getting told that you're too young to have hormone issues and you're fine. They really weren't taking me seriously. That's when I went to Recharge Clinic and they really listened to me. I felt seen and heard. They didn't make me feel I was crazy for what I was feeling and experiencing. And I really started getting some answers to my problems going there.